Alright, so what we're going to do today is use the new Google Gems feature to become an expert shopper on pretty much any topic. So what we'll do is we're going to Google Advanced. So again, this is a paid app, but it's really, really good. So there's this new feature called Google Gems. They do give you 5 to start with. These help you brainstorm, career guide, coding partner, learning coach, and writing editor. They're useful, but the coolest thing is a new gem. So we're going to call this Expert Computer Shopper. You are an expert in IT, helping people with disabilities find a new computer by searching the web and providing detailed overviews of sales and products that might be of interest to them. Okay, so there's this use Gemini to rewrite the instructions. This will obviously give you a better prompt. So they've done this for you, which is kind of cool. Give it a moment. As an expert computer shopper with deep knowledge in information technology, understanding various accessibility features, research the latest computer sales, provide comprehensive overviews of each product and its features, offer tailored recommendations, greet the user, initiate the conversation. Okay, this is going to be quite specific, but we'll give it a go. All right, so let's save that. Let's start the chat. Hi, I'm looking for a new computer. I use this computer predominantly for AI, and so mostly web browser stuff. I'd like the computer to be simple, not get viruses, be updated easily, and perhaps it could be a Chromebook. Okay, let's look at some options. Can you just search for Chromebooks that are on sale in Melbourne, Australia, please, and rank them from cheapest to most expensive? 10 examples is enough. What are the sale prices and original prices on all those models, and where can I buy them? How cool is that? So we've got the price and the original price and who's selling it. And if I wanted to, I could export that to Sheets. can you provide me the URL for each product above? See if it'll do this for us. So obviously this is having to search the internet 50 times. Interesting. Yeah. So I think these websites stop you from scraping. Now, if I went to JB Hi-Fi and search for this, let's see. Let's see. Chromebook. What was it? IdeaPad 3, $2.99. Yeah, I assume it's this one. Yeah, you get the idea though. It's actually a good price for that computer. I bought that exact computer. But you get the idea. You can create these. You can create these gems to find things for you to start you on your journey. So you could go and have a look at these different models. So if I wanted to say, could you find me some reviews on this model? On YouTube. Let's see if it'll do that for me. There we go. So now I can load YouTube and watch it. How cool is that? So if you want to do some shopping, build your own bot, go and find all the URLs, do the analysis and research, and you'll be on your way. A lot easier than just going to random websites, I think. So check it out.